All right, so we see here a graph of rooftop solar panel installations for 5 cities. I'm assuming city A, B, C, D, E, those are the 5 different cities. And this is the total number of installations per city. It says the number of rooftops with solar panel installations of 5 cities are shown in a graph above. If the total number of installations is 27,500, what is the appropriate level for the appropriate label for the vertical axis? So what they're saying is, let's look at this. So they want to know what unit of like, what does this mean? What do we call this axis right here? Right? Like they want to know, what are we calling this stuff right here? You know what I mean? Like they want to know, what are we calling this thing right there? What does that represent? Well, we got to look at the data. A goes to what number or value? Well, A appears to equal 9. B appears to equal what value? 5. C appears to equal 6. D appears to equal 4. And E looks like it appears to be equal 3.5, right? It's between 3 and 4. Now, if I add these up, 9 plus 5, let me pull out my handy dandy calculator. 9 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3.5. All this stuff adds up to 27.5. But then the statement says the total number of installations is 27,500. Well, how do I get that? Well, I think if I take 27.5 and multiply it by 1,000, I'll get 27,500. I think. How can I double check that? Just plug it in the calculator. Boy, that is the worst comma I've ever seen in my life. So the number's already in there. If I take 27.5 and multiply it by 1,000, I get my 27,500. So that means that the vertical axis is the number of installations in the thousands. Does that make sense? Could you do a problem like this in about a month and